Numbers using the number card. Shall I call Isra to do the number to do the card with the help of the number card? Come Isra.
This is number card. Now I am going to arrange the numbers using the place value. Now list the place value. 4,327. 4,327. So answer is 4,327.
With the help of abacus, shall we do some addition, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Ramana can do some exercises with the help of abacus. Come on.
This is abacus. Now I am going to do the addition using abacus. Let us unroll the place value is 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. First number is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tenth place value. First number 2. 1, 2. Next number 3. 1, 2, 3. One place value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tenth place value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer is 5, 10, 9, 1. So answer is 59. Thank you.
By using the number row, we can do addition and subtraction. Vishnu, can you do it now?
These are numbers. I am going to add using the number R and solve using the number R. 1, this is 1. 1, this is 1. 1, 2, this is 2. 1, 2, this is 2. 1, 2, this is 2. 1, 2, 3, this is 3. 1, 2, 3, this is 3. 1, 2, 3, this is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 5. Addition to the 8 number are. Addition to the 4 number are. Total number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Addition to the total number of 12. Subtraction to the of using the number of 8 number of plus 4 number minus 4 number of total number of 1, 2, 3, 4. Remainder is 4. Thank you.
By using the spindle bar. First, can I call Santosh to explain about the spindle bar? Come, Santosh.
This is spindle bar. Now I am going to arrange the spindle in the bar. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spindles, 3 spindles, 2 spindles, 1 spindle. 0 has no value. There is no spindle. 0 has no value. Arrange the spindle in the box. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 spindles, 8 spindles, 7 spindles, 6 spindles, 4, 5 spindles, 4 spindles, 3 spindles, 2 spindles, 1 spindle. 0 has no spindle. 0 has no value. Time.
Can we do some subtraction with the help of number cards, students?
Yes.
Vicky-san can do a subtraction. Come, number is on the board.
This is number card. Now I am going to do the subtraction using the number card. One place value 4. 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. 10 place value 6. 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 10.